So do you work with Databricks, and do you work with Databricks notebooks, and do you wonder how exactly we import our own custom packages in Databricks notebooks? Then this video is for you. In this video, what I am trying to do is I am trying to show you how you can create a custom workspace environment with your own package installed in it, and you should be able to see those custom environments listed here. So I hope you are excited about this video. Let's get started. So to be able to create the custom environment, first of all, we need to understand the problem. The problem is that the default environments that we get via the serverless compute of Databricks, those might not have the packages that we want to use. For example, here I am trying to import a package called fast embed. That package allows us to produce embeddings in a very seamless manner. If I hit run, it will say module not found, obviously. Now, how do we resolve this issue? The answer is we need to go for custom environments. Now, how can I create the custom environments? It's a 3-step process. The 3-step process is, first of all, create an environment file. Then you need to use that environment file to create a custom environment. Then finally apply the custom environment to the serverless compute. So essentially we need to follow these steps. So the first step is to create an environment file. Let's in this particular workspace in my directory, let's go ahead and click on this 3 dots. Let's click on create. Let's click on file. It should open the file dialog, and within the file dialog, what I can do is I can simply name this file as my custom env.yaml file. Now it will automatically detect certain things, although I'll show you in a moment, but we need to create this environment in a particular format. Now what does that mean? That means you might be accustomed to using, for example, conda environment file. That might not work here. So what do we need to provide here? We need to provide a key called environment version, and that will have a value of 4, and then there will be a dependencies, and under the dependencies I need to provide one mandatory field, and that is index URL. Index URL. Now what will be the value of index URL? The index URL would be the URL that will be used to access the packages. So here I am on the website of PyPy-simple. Now this you can see host you can say thousands of packages. Now I will just copy this link and I'll provide this link here. One second, sorry. Let me copy this entire URL and let me paste it here. And after providing this index URL, I can go ahead and just create this, just provide as many packages as I want. So I can provide something like, for example, fast embed. Okay, so now this dependency will be installed. Let me just one second, I think I need to spell it correctly. Okay, so now my environment file is ready. I can just list down as many packages as I want. I can also go ahead, although NumPy is by default available, but I can just go ahead and create this file also. I think I need to provide this in a equal sign. Okay, so now, okay, so from here, now what we can do is we can just use this file. Now you see this has automatically detected, Databricks has automatically detected that this file may be used as a base environment because it looked at the format and it looked at the extension, and based on that it came to this conclusion that we can use this as it is. And just for your information, there won't be any equal sign or anything because this we are providing as an argument and it will be used from the backend of Databricks. Okay, so this is the first step. Let me save this file. And now what is the next step? Next step would be to build this custom environment. For that we need to navigate to settings. So I'll just open settings in a new tab. Under the settings, you need to navigate to the compute option, and under the compute option what you need to do is you need to go inside environments and you need to go inside workspace base environments for serverless compute. I can click on it, manage, and I can create a new environment. So I can create it, I can name my environment, my nice environment. Now here I can provide the path. If I click on select a file, it will navigate to this my workspace. And if you see currently it's not appearing, I think I might need to, one second, did I not save it? Where is my file? That's funny. Okay, let me see. Where is that file? Okay, I think I need to create it inside here. Create, not here, but rather here. Okay, create file. Paste, and here I'll say my environment dot YAML. Okay, so automatically it has detected it. Why it is not refreshing? So let me refresh it. Okay, so my environment dot YAML is appearing here, and then I can go ahead and click on this my environment and select it. The moment I hit create, it will just start building it, and you see this is building, and it might take some time. And if you click on this environment log from here, you will see all the things that are listed here. So let's wait for some time for it to complete, and then I'll resume. Okay, so once your environment is ready, you will get this status message that it is ready to use. Now what is my third step? Third step is to apply the custom environment. And how do I do that? I'll navigate to my notebook or wherever you are trying to use this environment. I'll come here to the configuration. So the way I go to configuration is this. So I'll click on serverless, and then from here I can do the configuration, and from here I have this base environment, and if I click on it, my new environment should appear here, workspace environments. So what we have just created is called workspace environment, and and the environments provided by Databricks are called Databricks environment. So I'll just click on it, and then it will say ready to apply, and then I'll need to apply it, and then it will give us this message. I'll just confirm, and after confirming, you will see this rotating circle, that is the changes are being applied. So let's wait for, I guess it takes some 1 minute to apply based upon the size of the environment that you want to apply. For example, if you have bigger packages, then it might take some time. So let's wait for 1 minute and then we'll resume. Oh, okay, it completed. So it completed within 16 seconds. So now let me just go ahead and run this same code from fast embed. 1 second. I think I need to restart my, 1 second, new session. So I'll say from fast embed, or maybe just do import fast embed. So if I run this, it should resolve. It's waiting because I just restarted my system. Do you want to cancel? Yes, I do. Okay, what happened? So let's run it now. Yeah, so you see now fast embed has been imported. So this is how we create custom workspace environments in Databricks, which allow us to download and install our own packages and use them within the serverless environments in our notebook. Thank you so much.